Good morning, my dear students. Today I want to study you from school Surya Public School math. I will study about topic of math fractions. Fractions. Firstly, we know about definition of fractions. Means what do you mean by fraction or what is fractions? We know that fractions is equal to numerator by denominator. It means we can say fraction is ratio of numerator and denominator. Numerator which tends the upper form of fractions, while denominators tends the low part of fractions. For examples, 3 by 5, 7 by 9, 4 by 10, etc. 3 by 5, 7 by 9, 4 by 10 is example of fractions. So we can say 3 is upper part of fractions, so it is called numerator. 5 is lower part of that fractions, so it is denominator. Now we can study about classifications. It means how many type of fractions. Simply, there are mainly two types of fractions: simple fractions mixed fractions. Simple fractions. Simple fractions, we define that topic only the ratio of numerator and denominator is called simple fractions, while mixed fractions is combined form of a whole numbers and a simple fractions. Examples: 1 combination 2 by 5. 1 combination 2 by 5. So it is example of mixed fractions. 1 is whole numbers, while 2 by 5 is a type of fractions. So combination of a whole numbers and a fractions is called mixed fractions. Similarly, 3 combination 2 by 5, 1 combination 7 by 9. Example of mixed fractions. Simple fractions, simply numerator by denominator, etc. Now we can study about conversion of mixed fractions in form of simple fractions. Conversion of mixed fractions into simple fractions. Due to this topic, we can change mixed fractions in form of simple fractions. Examples: if 1 combination 2 by 5, then 1 multiply 5 plus 2 by 5. 1 5 is 5 plus 2 by 5. 7 by 5. So we can say such type of process change the mixed fractions in form of simple fractions. So this topic indicate your homework. 1 combination 2 by 5, 3 combination 2 by 5 or 1 combination 7 by 9. You can change these mixed fractions in form of simple fractions.